Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. I feel like I've been wearing the same outfit for a while, but just, yeah, feeling lazy. Just threw something easy on today. Actually, I shouldn't even really say good morning. I should say good afternoon because it is noon right now. It has been an uneventful morning so far. It's my last day here at Connor's family's house because I am heading to Tara's this afternoon to begin our week of fun. We're saying goodbye boyfriend, hello bestie, and I am so excited. We have so many fun things planned for this week. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So much to vlog. So much to vlog. And do. Oh my gosh. Tara like got us set up with like a little like two-person work area. I'm sure I'll show you guys when we get to her house later. But anyway, yeah, Connor and I ran and got some Starbucks this morning. As you can see, it's almost gone. I'm sure you can guess what I got. Iced chai tea latte with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla. The same thing I get every time. And he actually just ran out to go grab a COVID test or get a COVID test because he actually leaves tomorrow to go back to LA, which is very sad, but I'm also glad that he's going to be back with Molly Cat so that she has one of her people back with her. I'm very jealous. Although obviously I'm very much looking forward to this week that I am about to have with Tara. We are going to have so much fun. I can't wait. I seriously feel like I'm like moving in with Tara. People always ask if we would ever be roommates, and there you go. Now we're going to be roommates for the next week. Gotta love it. Anyway, so I'm just taking a little break while Connor's out for his COVID test. I've been working pretty much straight through here on just getting some vlogs done. So just taking a small break. He should be back in like 10 minutes. And I thought I would just chill for a second and read my book because I think after that we are going to go grab some lunch together somewhere, just somewhere like quick and easy. But have one last little meal together, and then later this afternoon I'm heading to Tara's, so I sort of have to get all my stuff packed up, make sure I have everything out of Connor's parents' house, and that I'm ready to go to Tara's in a couple of hours. Anyway, let's get like 10 minutes of reading in quickly. By the way, can we believe how big my hair is? Like, I mean, she big. The humidity here in Toronto is interesting for my hair, but I don't like mind it necessarily, just she is bold. Get in there. Yo. Spot on. We are heading out to lunch and it is hot out here, guys. I wonder what the temperature is. It's got to be at least like 72. It says only 68, but there is no way.
70.
Okay, it's 70 now, but still
feels hotter in the sun.
Yeah, in the sun it is warm. It is a beautiful day, blue skies. We've gotten really, really lucky with our weather while we've been here. It's
showing
great.
That it's not always a frozen tundra.
Exactly. Later in the year it'll become that, but luckily not
now.
Not while I'm here, which is all that really matters to me. And I think we're just going to walk over to the Rosedale Diner and grab a quick bite to eat.
I don't think I've ever gone there actually.
Me neither, obviously, so we'll see how it is. Oh, so pretty today.
Your hand's nice and cool. It feels
there you go. Your hand feels nice and warm. Here we go. Look at how cute. I got it. Uh-oh. I think they may be closed. Okay. Yeah, the guy said they're closed.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, back to Rebel House?
Yeah.
Okay.
A good walk.
Yep.
Getting our steps in.
It's a nice day anyway, who cares? All right. Here we go. Perfect. Not so bad of a view.
You need a meal.
Exactly. Okay, lunch is served and it looks amazing. I got the fish and chips. Connor got the house sandwich. These are looking amazing. I'm so excited.
I'm pumped.
Me too. Well, the time has come to work on packing up my bag to head to Tara's. I am very excited to see her, but also sad to say goodbye to Connor. Bittersweet, some may call it. I've been living out of a suitcase for too long. I can't wait to get home for that reason alone. We packed in just one suitcase for the cottage, so I also have to like migrate a ton of stuff back into here and try to remember how I made it all Tetris together. Well, I did it. All packed up and off on my next adventure to Tara's. Connor's giving me a little ride ski. Thank you, babe.
Of course.
And then we were off on who knows what the heck is going to happen this week. It should be a very interesting time, but I'm very excited. I'm going to miss you, though.
I'm going to miss you so much.
Okay. So much?
So much.
Okay. Just confirming. Making sure.
Exactly. You're the one who always says, I'm going to miss you too.
Now turn right.
I know, but now I'm turning the tables.
I see.
Wow. Bestie time has begun. Bestie time. Roommates! Oh my god, Tara got everything all set up for me, her brand new roomie. I gotta show you guys.
You're my first ever guest here.
Oh, I love it. As it should be, honestly.
Obviously, this is not first.
Look at this. A little workstation.
Computer can go right here.
It's
and we
perfect.
work next to each other.
Oh, look, you have the Katie.
of course.
Wow, very nice.
We can
write our priorities.
Yes. To be really organized.
I love it. And then my room, of course.
This way to your bedroom.
Oh, thank you. She even got the curtains up for me.
She needs to be able to
It's lovely. I am all about it. Thank you.
I was gonna have chocolates on your pillow, but then I realized I had run out of all my chocolates.
Ate them all?
I did.
Yeah.
That was the plan, and then I went on.
That's okay. This is perfect anyway. Okay. 5 p.m. wine time.
5 p.m. We have a nice bottle of Chardonnay in a box.
Love it.
Also, hello, Abed.
Wow.
She's in.
Very
She
exciting.
doesn't work.
But she's there.
How heavy are we pouring today?
Well,
You know what?
I'm sure it won't be the last drink.
Definitely will not be the last drink.
Mmm.
Yay!
Yay. I'm so happy that we're
you.
here finally. Cheers.
Oh, a dream.
Mmm.
Yum.
Delicious.
Oh, wow. So it begins.
So it begins.
Roomies! Oh my god. We've never experienced like living together
I
before.
know. I was saying that. Like, it's so weird. We've never like woken up and like made coffee like at home.
Yeah, together. Just like
Ruby.
But like actually getting to live out like a dream that we never actually wanted to
I
pursue.
know, right? But we get a little taste of it
Yeah,
now.
we wanted the dream.
pretty fun.
But we never wanted to actually
I know, it's a big commitment.
live with anybody.
Yeah, anybody. Just
Anybody.
end of sentence.
If I was gonna live with anyone, it was gonna be you.
Obviously.
Just didn't want to do it.
Yeah.
I have to get my camera. This is gonna be a great time.
Oh yeah, having the best time.
Where would you like to set your camera?
Oh, you know, I'm just gonna probably shove it over here.
Oh man, it's like we're on vacation. Back again. Wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Ooh, I love it when you do it like that. So fast, can't hold myself back. High heels, red dress.
First stop of the evening, Hemingway's. Hopefully we can get in this time. We'll see.
The roof looks empty.
Perfect.
If it's open.
Success. Love it. Okay, lychee martinis are on the menu.
They look like
For starts, it seriously does look like an eyeball in there.
yeah,
With
or
a
like
sword
a
through
mozzarella
it.
ball.
I guess, yeah, it could also be a mozzarella ball.
Oh, it smells good actually. I just
Little
got a
lychee.
whiff.
Oh, really? Okay, great. We have to try.
Yes,
Oh, I could drink that way too quick.
that is delicious.
Oh, it's so good.
It's so funny when the drinks are coming up. Jill saw our martinis. I ordered them. She's like, oh man, I wish we ordered martinis. I was like, those are ours.
I literally, for some reason, heard like lychee margarita. And so,
So
there you
she
go.
was very happy. Get the martinis.
Good to go. Down the drinks real quick. Off to dinner. Made it to dinner. Just a short little walk. Ooh, up we go. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Wow. I know. I love it. Okay, drinks are up. I literally don't even remember what we ordered anymore.
We ordered the Okinawa something.
Okay, great. It's gonna be delicious. They look
Coconut, pineapple.
cute AF.
Cheers.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Us with our camera.
Yep, always.
Tastes like dessert.
It literally tastes like a sorbet or something.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Wait, did we order? No, we didn't order the sake yet. We're gonna order sake.
Yes.
It's gonna be a night.
Yes, it is.
It's okay.
It's gonna be great. First up for dinner, we have some sort of like truffle mushroom rice situation, and then we got like a couple things that will go really good with that. Very excited. We also got some miso tofu, which looks so good and crispy. I'm so excited. And then tempura broccoli, which I just live and die for.
Yum.
This looks so good.
Yay.
I just made a really good joke, guys, and you'll never know what it is. Food has been amazing so far. I just ordered a sushi roll. I'm honestly like not even hungry, but I figured I would take it to go and be able to eat it more later if needed. Yeah, like we're in a Japanese place. Might as well try a sushi roll.
Thinking that she wasn't gonna get something seafood, you know?
I know, because obviously that I would have never ordered any of this.
I know.
Well, actually probably 2 out of 3 I would have ordered.
Okay.
The tofu and the rice for sure. The tempura is delicious.
Yeah, but probably wouldn't have been on the
Not
list.
with Connor.
Because you guys like seafood.
Exactly, we would have had to prioritize.
So I'm very glad you ordered.
Yes, me too. Very glad. We also got some sake, which is so good.
It's so smooth.
It is smooth and delicious and the cheapest one on the menu.
That's actually so good.
Oh yeah, it's very good. And our drinks are amazing. Delicious.
Why are we the same person?
Look at this. Climb our way up the rock.
I guess I'll go up. Okay.
Yeah, just come up quick.
I'm nervous about heights.
Oh, it's fine. It's not that high. Love it. Up on the rock.
Hey, this is a classic moment.
Yep.
Let's sit down. Let's sit on the rock for our 30 seconds that we can.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's good. On the rock we go. I love it. I'm already in comfy clothes.
I'm jealous. I didn't know you were changing.
Oh, I'm so
sorry.
Is that a... Oh, it's mine.
It's fine.
I thought that was your phone for a second. I was like, that sounded like a tough fall.
Yeah, like a good crack there.
That's okay. You could just leave this
just
guy.
it just, you know, it's
yeah, I
slides
know.
out.
It slides right out. Just
Like
went
that.
upstairs to go to the bathroom, and I was like, you know what? I'm up here, and there's so many stairs. You know, might as well just
You have to do it all in one.
change. Yep, it had
do.
to be done. So I'm already in comfy clothes.
I'm gonna have to do that right after
Yes.
this.
But what a great first day together.
Such a good evening.
And we have so many fun things planned. I can't wait to meet so many of your friends.
Oh no, I can't wait for you to meet everyone too. Like you get to meet a good 3 friends this trip.
I know.
I'm stressed that tomorrow's already Wednesday.
Oh my god, I know.
Like what?
Time seems to be running out already.
And we've only just begun. But what a great start.
Oh my god, the food tonight was so good.
What was
We should
your-
put that in the fridge?
What was your favorite of the 3?
I mean, the rice was like 10 out of 10.
The rice was so good with the truffle butter.
I know, it was so good.
So many fun times.
Literally, Tara and I have scheduled in like our chill nights
We have
and our
to.
drinking nights. Tomorrow is going to be such a time. Tara and I are doing a truth or drink together. It's going to be up later in November,
And
but
we're fully prepared to spill. Like I don't think we ever like do anything controversial or sit down and like actually spill things.
no, really not at all. And yeah, we're going to spill some fucking tea.
We're gonna spill some tea.
I'm so excited. Okay, thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. We have so much fun ahead.
Ah! And happy birthday if today is your birthday.
There you go.
I wanted to say it.
The #1 fan. Thank you guys for watching. Love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.